everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. This is a 7-Up candy. From one can, you can make this many. I will show you today how to make 7-Up candy, and let's get started. The ingredients we need: 7-Up, 1 can, corn starch, sugar as needed. So first step will be get a pot. This is 1 can equivalent to 1.5 cup. 1 tablespoon sugar. With the whisk, just mix it. Two tablespoons corn starch. 1, 2. Now combine it well. Once nicely dissolved, this will be a strictly optional. Food color, yellow, black, but I'm going to use a red. Mix it one more time prior to adding. So I'll add 1, 2, and one more, 3. 3 drops of red color. Now we'll take this one on a burner and we're going to cook it. Start burner. And on a low gas, we're going to cook it and keep cooking. So this is how it looks after 2 minutes. So keep stirring because corn starch has a tendency to settle down. So keep stirring and keep cooking. This is how it looks after 3 minutes. As it starts to thicken, now we're going to keep cooking. This is how it looks after 4 minutes. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. Nice and thickened. And if you see, it's more transparent. It's altogether 10 minutes cooking on a low heat. Turn off the burner and keep it moving. And now I have a pot. We're going to put it inside and we're going to let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, then we're going to put it in the fridge for a couple hours. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Leave it on the countertop. Once it's cooled down, then we'll transfer into the fridge. So now we're going to place in the fridge. So we're going to take it out of the fridge and now we're going to cut it. So we took it out of the fridge. This is how it looks. I have a coconut powder. So the first thing we'll do, we'll make a cut. First long way, and we can turn around and we can cut it from this side. Once it's cut, now we can take these out. As you see, this is how it looks. So we're going to put it into the coconut powder and shake up the extra, and we're going to pull it out. So we're going to do the same thing with each one of them. This is a very delicious treat. I'm going to take it out, all of these. So now we're going to do the coating, and just to take out the extra. All of these are coated with the coconut powder, and just shake up the extras. Look at these. Very delicious treats. You've seen it. It's so easy to make. Super yum. 7-Up candy. Please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.